Did I share this file with you? Everyone, please tell me. Did I share this file with you? This functional level strategy onwards chapter. Did I share this file with you? Right? Okay, okay. So let us start. So Nikhil, please be online. Hi Nikhil. Please unmute yourself. Nikhil, are you there in the class? Good morning everyone. Nikhil, are you there in the class? I think he is unable to. Am I clear to everyone? Am I audible? Hello everyone. Am I audible? Hello. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So we started with the function level strategy. In the function level strategy, we started with the which strategy? We started with the marketing strategy, right everyone? So in the marketing strategy, I think we are done with the meaning of the marketing strategy. We are done with the value delivery network. And we are done with the marketing process. And now we are doing the marketing mix. Clear? Yes. So Sumesh, would you like to be unmuted? Please unmute yourself, Sumesh. Sumesh or Nikhil, anybody, please unmute yourself. Network problem, power cut, always.
Sir.
Nikhil, you? Are you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hi Nikhil, how are you? Thank you so much. Yeah, okay. So I hope Nikhil, you won't mind if I'm troubling you every class?
No problem.
Okay, okay. So Nikhil, I think last time when we did the strategic management day before yesterday, we have done already the meaning of marketing strategy, right?
Yes, sir.
So let us do the quick revision and after that we'll start with the today's topic. So tell me, what is marketing strategy? Marketing strategy is all about ASDM, right? Yes. A stands for?
Analyzing marketing opportunities.
S stands for? Selecting a?
Selecting a target market.
D stands for?
Developing a market.
Yes.
Marketing.
And
Managing marketing operations.
Yes. Okay. So marketing strategy is all about understanding two things.
Need of customers and satisfying the best problem.
Yes. In the market, as a marketing manager, what are the 7 questions which are going on in your mind?
What kind of distribution channel is looking for?
Okay.
And what kind of advertisement to be done? And
Next.
what shall be mode of advertisement? What are the targeted customers? What are price leader or price follower are we?
What are the quality and features of my product should be?
And are we
Covering complete
covering
warranty or?
complete warranty or limited warranty?
Now that also we have already understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we did the value delivery network. What do you mean by value delivery network? Can we survive on our own or we have to start partnering and venturing with our distributors and suppliers? We have to start partnering or venturing with our distributors and suppliers. So if we'll venture with our distributions and suppliers, then in that case we'll be able to satisfy the customer the most or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So read point number 1.
Every pharma company has many departments, namely finance, production, logistics, etc. But a company can achieve competitive success only if all the departments of organization work together with each other in a coordinated way.
Now, every department should work with each other in a coordinated way or not?
Yes,
That is called your value chain. That is called your value chain of your company, right? But what is the point number 2?
yes, sir. But in today's complex environment, we need to satisfy our customers.
Yeah.
The firm needs to think beyond its own value chain and take the advantage of others' value chain to satisfy customers to the market.
So do we have to start thinking beyond our value chain and we have to start partnering with the others' value chain or not?
Yes, sir.
So say for example, Nikhil, you are my supplier and Somesh, you are my distributor. If I as a company will have a value delivery network with you, Nikhil, as well as the Somesh, will I be able to get the regular supply from you, Nikhil?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and will I be able to sell my goods regularly to the customers? Is it correct, Somesh, or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes. So that is called value delivery network. So what is VDN? VDN is a solution to the above concept, right? So what is VDN? Read.
It means venturing and partnering with firm's value chain with its distribution value chain, suppliers value chain. It is required so that firm can take the best benefit from each.
It is required so that every firm can take the best benefit from each other's value
Each
chain.
other's value.
Now see, Nikhil, you are my supplier. If I'll keep on placing the order with you, is it a good sales for you also or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so you are also happy, I am also happy. So your value chain, my value chain and distributor's value chain, we all require this value chain to satisfy whom? Customer. I hope everyone is crystal clear with that. I think we have already done it in the previous class. And what do you mean by marketing process? Marketing process means STP. What is STP?
Segmentation, targeting, and profit.
Positioning. What is the third one?
Positioning.
Do you remember that if I have to apply this thing on myself, what are the types of students are there in the market? There are graduate students also, 12th standard students also, postgraduate and professional also. Am I correct? This is called segmentation of the market. Then after the segmentation of market, who is my targeted market? Do I teach graduation, post-graduation, 12th or professional students?
Professional students.
So this is nothing but called my what? Targeting market. Now, do you know this diagram, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So what is the first circle?
What I invested.
And what is the second circle?
What my competitors have invested.
And what is the third circle?
What customer wants.
What customer wants. So do I have to achieve the common area in all three or not?
Yes, sir.
If I'll provide to the customer what I am best at, if I'll provide to the customer what my competitor is best at, and if I know that what my customer wants, will I be able to survive the market in the better manner or not?
Yes, sir.
So which area is something which I have to achieve? I have to achieve this greener area. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is what do you mean by marketing process, right?
Process.
And what is the next point? The next point is known as
marketing mix.
In the marketing mix, I told you that there are total 7 marketing mix, and all 7 marketing mix starts with the P. What is the first P?
Product, price, place, promotion.
And then what are
the physical evidence?
Yeah, what are the next 3 P's? People, process, and
physical evidence.
Physical evidence. The first 4 P's are required for every type of business, but the last 3 P's are required for what? Service industry. It means in the service industry, do we need 3 P's or 7 P's?
7 P's.
But in the normal industry, other than service,
4 P's.
We need the 4 P's. So what are the 4 P's, everyone?
Product, price, place, and promotion.
Product, price, place, and promotion. So should I know? Now read it. I think we are done with the product, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, read it.
It is all about what customer needs. What product and services he is looking for. Customer satisfaction is the prime objective.
Achha, tell me one thing. What is the today's need? Today's need is face-to-face classes or virtual classes?
Virtual class.
So should I know that what my customer, what my students want or not?
Yes, sir.
And should I know that what kind of product and services you people are looking for or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is called my product strategy. And what are the 3 product strategies I have? First one, managing the
Existing products,
managing the
developing the
existing
new
products, developing the new products, and dropping the what?
and dropping the failed products.
Now nowadays, today, tell me, face-to-face face-to-face classes are possible or not possible?
Not possible.
So should I drop that idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Google Drive and pen drive classes are at the peak or not?
Yes, sir.
Should I develop the new idea? Yes. And I am taking the virtual classes. Are they going successfully or not? Yes. So I have to manage my existing product, develop the new products, and drop the which products? Failed product.
Failed products.
Now today's customer is affected by what? Size, color, brand and quality. Are you affected by the size, color, brand and quality when you buy the product or not?
Yes, sir.
Suppose for 100 rupees you are getting a better size than the smaller size, then are you going to go for a better size or not?
Yes, sir.
Will you be affected with the choice of your color or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you affected with the brand of your choice or not?
Yes, sir.
And yes, you are definitely affected with what? Quality. Because today's customer taste, product and marketing is what?
Dynamic.
It keeps on.
changing.
That is called which strategy, everyone? Product strategy.
Product
Now what is the next strategy we have to learn?
price strategy.
Acha, tell me one thing. Pricing of the product is also very important decision or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
It's a very simple thing. Let me give you one idea. Now, did I give you the material for strategic management in physical form or in the PDF form?
PDF form.
PDF form. So, did I save my cost?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Am I giving the classes in the virtual form or face to face?
Virtual.
Did I save the rent of my building?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And at the same point of time, am I saving my other expenditures also or not?
Yes, sir.
So when I saving my expenditures by giving you the virtual classes, at that point of time, should I charge 10,000 rupees per subject or 4,500?
4,500.
So tell me one thing, when I am not giving you the material in physical, you have to take your own printout. When I am not giving you the MCQs in physical, you have to take your own printout. When I am not giving you the face-to-face classes, I am not having that much of expenditure. Don't you think that I should forward this benefit of cost saving to my customers also?
Yes, sir.
Am I correct or not? So am I charging 10,000 rupees from you or 4,500?
4,500.
Per subject. Am I correct? So that is called pricing strategy. That is called which strategy?
Pricing strategy.
So tell me Nikhil, once the face-to-face classes will start, whether do I have to incur the building rent or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do I have to incur the printed material or not?
Yes, sir.
At that point of time, do I deserve 6,500 for my class or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is called which strategy?
Pricing strategy.
Now read the pricing strategy, everyone.
It takes lot of study to decide price of product.
Hmm.
Price does affect sales. Price is the amount customer.
Is it a fact or not? Price does affect the sales or not?
Yes, sir.
If my price of the class will be too high, whether will I be able to sell my product in the market?
No, sir.
No. If the price is good as per the market expectation, will I be able to sell?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next one.
Price does not affect sales.
Price does affect sales. Price does affect the sales. Yes. Price does affect the sales.
Price is the amount customer wants to pay.
Now, what is the price? Price is the amount what the customer wants to pay or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. When the customer pays the price, what you look for? Do you look for the value of the classes?
Yes, sir.
Do you look for the quality of the classes?
Yes, sir.
Do you look your safety also?
Yes, sir.
Do you look the durability of the product?
Yes,
and do you look for the utility of the product or not?
Yes.
Now in the auditing, I gave you the company audit classes. Are they going to be there with you till the examination? Am I correct or not? So that is what do you mean by it? So in that price, if you're getting, a customer always looks for value, quality, safety and durability and utility in the price. If he does not find the value, utility, quality, safety in my product, is he going to buy my product or someone's product?
Someone's good.
That is what. So customer, so pricing strategy is very important. Read it from the beginning again. It takes a
It takes a lot of study to decide price of the product.
the price does affect what?
Price it does affect sales.
Yes, price
Price
is
is the
what the
amount
amount
customer
customer wants to pay. Next one. What does the customer look for when he pays the price?
value, quality, safety, durability, and utility.
Everyone write CC if you all agree with that. Do you all see the value, quality, safety, durability, and utility when you buy the product in the market or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next point.
New pricing, new product.
New pricing, new product.
Acceptable.
Yeah. What should be the pricing of the product? Which is what?
Acceptable in the market, better reasonable margin, gain
Market share.
margin.
Now tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. If I keep the price of my classes very low, listen to this, everyone. If I keep the prices of my classes very low, will it be acceptable in the market?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And if I'll be able to sell more and more classes due to the less price, will I be getting a better profit or not?
Yes, sir.
And will I be able to achieve the market share also or not?
Yes, sir.
So remember one thing, the pricing strategy should be made because of three objectives. What are the three objectives?
Which is acceptable in market, better and reasonable margin, having a gain in market share.
So is it from my point of view or not? So my products will be more acceptable in the market. I'll be getting more profit and I'll be getting a better market share if my pricing of my product will be good. Am I correct, everyone?
Sir.
Right, CC, if you all agree? Yes. Next one. What are the two pricing strategies we have?
Skimming and penetration.
Everyone, please understand what do you mean by skimming strategy. In the skimming strategy, the prices will be very much high in the beginning. The prices will be very much high. Now tell me one thing. iPhone is a which strategy and Oppo, Vivo is a which strategy? Now tell me one thing. Does the iPhone keeps the price of its product very high or not? Everyone, please tell me, an iPhone is available for how much price? 1,50,000. Am I correct or not? Now, if the iPhone will sell 1 lakh unit, if iPhone will sell 1 lakh units, how much is the total turnover? 1,50,000 into 1 lakh. Am I correct or not? Is it a big amount of turnover or not?
Yes, sir.
But tell me, what does the Oppo and Vivo does? Do they set the high price or they set the low price?
Low price.
But do we have the both side of population in India or not?
Yes, sir.
So yes, the pricing strategy can be of two types. Now tell me one thing, iPhone is for the price sensitive customers or price insensitive customers? Everyone, write in the chat box. iPhone is for price sensitive customers or insensitive?
Price insensitive.
Insensitive. Who are bothered or not bothered?
Not bothered about
Not bothered about the price. Whereas the Oppo and Vivo is for the which kind of customers? Who are bothered about the price or not bothered?
Bothered about price.
So tell me, what is the first difference between skimming and penetration?
Skimming set high price, in penetration set low price.
Next one, which customers they are targeting?
In skimming, customer is price insensitive. In penetration, customer is price sensitive.
What is the purpose of skimming? What is the purpose of skimming? Is it the more profit or more market share?
Profit.
Yes. So what is the purpose?
More and more revenue generation.
And what is the purpose?
For penetration, more customer base plus more market share.
Did you all understand the three differences between the skimming strategy and penetration strategy or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So tell me, what is skimming strategy? Setting high price.
High price.
Penetration setting
low price.
Where the customer is insensitive?
In skimming, sir.
Where the customer is what to say?
Sensitive.
Price sensitive in the penetration. Whose objective is more profit and revenue generation? Skimming. And whose objective is the market share and customer base?
Penetration.
Everyone, did you understand the two pricing strategies? Yes, the one is known as skimming and one is known as what? Penetration. Clear? Now, what is the next point?
Price strategy consider credit policy, discount policy.
Acha, tell me one thing. When you buy the classes, do you expect to pay the total price on the day one or you pay it in installments?
Installment.
So when you pay it in the installments, what do you mean by that? Do you expect a credit policy from us or not?
Yes, sir.
And do you now say, for example, if I keep my prices at 5,000, you will say that, sir, due to the corona, the financial position is down or something like that. Parents are not getting the salary on time. So do I have to reduce the price accordingly or not?
Yes, sir.
So do you expect the discount policy also?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in the pricing strategy, I should consider my credit policy and I should consider my which policy? I should consider my credit policy
Discount.
and I should also consider my which policy?
Discount
Policy. So read it again. So what is pricing strategy? Everyone, Nikhil is going to read it for the last time. Please make sure that you are understanding every concept. And if you have any doubt anywhere, please write the word called doubt immediately in the chat box. I'm constantly looking at chat box. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please let me know. Nikhil, please read it again. What is price strategy?
It takes a lot of study to decide price of the product. Price does affect sales. Price is the amount customer wants to pay.
Clear? Next one.
When customer pays price for value, quality, safety and durability.
When the customer pays price, what he looks for? Value, quality, safety, durability and utility. Clear? Next one. Well, what should be the pricing of the product? Which should give me the three objectives. What are the three objectives?
Which is acceptable in market and for better and reasonable margin for gaining market share. Two pricing strategies.
One is skimming and penetration. Where do we set high price? Skimming. Less penetration. Customer insensitive, skimming. Customer sensitive, penetration. Market share, penetration. More profit,
skimming.
Okay. So this is what do you mean by which strategy, everyone?
Price strategy.
So are we done out of 4 P's? Are we done with the 2 P's, everyone?
Yes, sir.
What is our third P?
Place.
Acha, tell me one thing. Are you comfortable when you are taking the classes at your home or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please tell me, in the last 6 months, any changes have come in you? Yes. In the last 6 months, before 6 months or 7 months, we all had a face-to-face classes. So you have to go to the institute to take the classes. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Am I correct? At that point of time, so many times you have to go for, say for example, you have to take your transportation cost. You have to make sure that food is also ready. You have to make sure that hostel is good. So many expenditures you had or not?
Yes, sir.
But nowadays, due to the virtual classes, are you all sitting at your home?
Yes, sir.
When you all are sitting at your home today, are you able to see and access everything being at home or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, did it save your money of hostel?
Yes, sir.
Did it save your money of traveling?
Yes, sir.
And most importantly, is it saving your time or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So tell me, where the customer is more satisfied, where the customer has to go too far to buy a product, or where the customer need not go too far to buy a product?
Need not go too far.
So tell me one thing, place does matter a lot or not?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me, if the BMW showroom is there, suppose there is one say for example, guys, you are thinking of buying a Maruti car, okay, Nikhil?
Yes, sir.
Say for example, in which area do you stay, Nikhil?
Malkajgiri.
Oh, you stay in Vijayawada, I think, Hana?
Now Malkajgiri, Hyderabad.
Okay, you are in Malkajgiri.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Nikhil, suppose you are in Malkajgiri and the showroom of the Maruti is in Patancheru, opposite side of Hyderabad. And
Yes,
would you like to go that far to buy a Maruti car?
No, sir.
No. So that is too far for you or not?
Yes, sir.
But if I'll open a Maruti showroom in your Malkajgiri area, is it more comfortable to you or not?
Yes, sir.
So tell me everyone whether the place does matter or place does not matter.
Does matter.
Place does matter. For the marketing, place does matter. Are you getting the point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is what you mean by which strategy?
Place strategy.
Now read it.
Place strategy is all understanding how easily we can make our products available, accessible to customers.
Yeah, place strategy is all about understanding how easily we can make our products available and accessible to the customers. Everyone, do you agree with the point number 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what you mean by place strategy. What is the point number 2?
It is all about having better distribution channels.
Now tell me, Maruti is having the better distribution channels or not?
Yes, sir.
That is why most of the people are able to buy the Maruti cars or Honda, Hyundai, because they have the multiple showrooms in the city. Clear? It's all about having the better distribution channels. Next one.
It's all about understanding where product shall be launched, how customer can access it.
It's all about understanding where the product shall be launched and how the customer can access it. Am I
Access
correct?
it.
Now, next point. Acha, tell me one thing, guys. Do we have Apple showrooms in India?
Yes, sir.
No, we don't have Apple showrooms in India.
So,
There are very
only-
few Apple showrooms in India, and that too in the metropolitan cities only. Am I correct or not? But do we have so many other resellers in India where you can find the Apple mobile phone or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you buy the Apple mobile phone from the Bajaj Electronics?
Yes, sir.
Can you buy the Apple mobile phone from the what do you say, Reliance Retail?
Yes, sir.
Can you buy the Apple mobile phone from the Lot Mobiles? Am I correct or not?
Yes.
So in the different places, did the Apple launch its mobile phone or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose? Why Apple is giving so many dealerships to everyone? So that it can
They can access
easily,
customers.
yeah. That is what. So read the point number 1 and 2 again. It is all about understanding
Where the product shall be launched and how can customers access it.
where the product shall be launched and how the customer can access it. Clear, everyone? Next one. This strategy is all about transferring the ownership from producer to whom?
Customer.
So when the place comes, now tell me, in the Maruti showroom, when you go to buy a car, whether Maruti manufacturer is transferring the ownership from Maruti manufacturer to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so this strategy is all about what?
Transfer of ownership from producer to customer.
Do you all agree with that, everyone? This strategy
Yes,
is all about transferring the ownership from producer to
customer.
customer. And next one,
It
what are
takes into
the
consideration
things you need to understand when you are deciding a product place strategy?
distribution channels, intermediaries, retailers, and wholesalers.
Distribution channels, intermediaries, retailers, and wholesalers. So if you have more wholesalers, more retailers, more intermediaries, more distribution channel, will you be able to make your product available to the customer or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is called which strategy, everyone?
Distribute with price strategy.
Place strategy.
Place
So what are the
strategy.
3 P's out of 4 P's we are done with? Everyone.
Product, price, and
Product,
place.
price, and place. Are we done
Yes.
with the product, price, and place or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone. So read the place strategy again so that everyone can understand it for the last time.
Place strategy is all about understanding how easily we can make our products available and accessible to customers.
Next one.
It's all about having better distribution channels.
Next one.
It's all about understanding where products shall be launched and how customers can access it.
Next point.
This strategy is about transfer of ownership from producer to customer.
And what are the things you need to consider?
It takes into consideration distribution channels, intermediaries, retailers, and wholesalers.
Everyone, please write CC if you all understood all the 3 strategies. Product, place, price. And what is the last one we are left with? Promotion. What is the last one? Promotion. Everyone, please tell me, what do you mean by promotion? Promotion means sales promotion or not? Am I correct, everyone? Advertisement. Promotion means advertisement, publicity, newspaper, radio, internet. All these are known as what? Promotion activities, right or not? Now read it. What is promotion?
It is all about communicating the features and utilities of the product to the customer to motivate them to buy the customer.
Tell me one
product.
thing. Tell me one thing. When you see any advertisement in the newspaper, or when you see any advertisement in the television, or when you see any advertisement in the internet, do they tell you the features of the product or not? It is
Yes,
very
sir.
much durable. You can, okay, let's say for example, I'm selling you shoes. Okay, so
Yes.
shoes are very comfortable. In the shoes, we have a special cushion which will keep your legs very comfortable. In the shoes, we have a special mat which will be airy. It means, are you getting the point? So
Yes, sir.
basically, in the sales promotion, it is all about telling the features and utilities of the product to the customer so that customer is motivated to buy the product. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
This is what do you mean by what? Promotion. So read the promotion again.
It is all about communicating the features and utilities of the product to the customers to motivate them to buy the product.
Okay, next one.
It is broadly classified into four categories.
There are 4 types of sales promotion we all can do. What are the 4 types of sales promotion we all can do? First one is what?
Personal selling.
Everyone, please tell me when you go to, Acha, please tell me, Nikhil, when you go to buy a car in the showroom, when you are looking at the car in the showroom, whether one agent comes to you and explains all the features or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Or when you go to buy an iPhone in the showroom, whether one person comes to you and tries to tell you the features of the product or not?
Yes, sir.
What that person is doing actually?
Promotion.
He is doing the promotion of the product. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
That is called which selling?
Personal selling.
Personal selling. That is called which selling, everyone?
Personal
There are
selling.
4 promotional techniques which we are going to learn. What is the first technique we are learning?
Personal selling.
So in the personal selling, what takes place?
Oral communication.
Is he orally
Personal.
telling you all after reading every topic? Just stop for a moment. I will explain. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what is the first point?
Oral communication.
Now tell me, everyone, is he going to tell you all the features orally or not? Yes, he is going to tell you all the features orally. So oral communication will take place in the personal selling. What is the point number 2?
Personal interaction.
Now, is he interacting with you personally or he is interacting with you via TV?
Personally.
Personally. So point number 1, there will be a oral communication, and point number 2, there will be a which interaction?
Personal interaction.
And how he is doing the sales? Tell me.
Face to face.
Face to face sales promotion. Is he doing the face to face or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he is doing the face to face sales promotion. What is the next one?
Higher expensive but very persuasive.
Tell me one thing. Do I have to give the salary to that person to sell the product? Is it very expensive for me or not?
Yes, sir.
And in the car showroom, do you have one person or multiple people?
Multiple people.
So I have to pay multiple salaries. So it is very expensive method of selling a product. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
But when do you more believe the people? When the person is actually meeting you and telling you, or via TV advertisement?
Meeting and selling.
Yes. So it is highly expensive but very what? Persuasive.
Persuasive.
Persuasive means it is very influencing. Am I correct or not?
Okay. Yes,
Most of the times we make up our mind to buy a product or not.
yes, sir.
Yes. Next one.
Adaptable to customer needs.
Now tell me, whatever the needs I'm going to tell him, whether the sales agent is going to show me all those things which according to my needs or according to his needs.
Customer needs.
Yes. I suppose I'm saying, sir, I'm looking for blue color. Is he going to take me to the blue color car or not?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking for power steering. Is he going to show me the power steering in the car or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So all these are called adaptable to whose needs?
Customer needs.
And what is the objective of personal selling?
To end up making sales.
Why that person is spending 15-20 minutes on you in explaining the features of the car? Does he want to not sell the car or he wants to sell the car?
Sell the car.
So he wants to end up making the sales or not?
Yes, sir.
That is what do you mean by with selling? Personal selling. So if they will ask you, write a short note on personal selling, all of you, will you be able to write all these 6 points or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone tell me, what do you write a short note on personal selling? Will you be able to write the short note? Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
Nikhil, please tell me, what do you mean by personal selling?
Oral communication.
Personal selling has the following features. What are the features?
Oral communication.
Okay.
Personal interaction.
Next.
Face-to-face sales promotion.
Okay.
Highly expensive but very persuasive.
Okay.
Adaptable to customer needs.
Okay.
Its objective is to end up making sales.
Okay. What is the second type of sales? What is the second type of promotion?
Advertise.
Now, in the advertisement, do we give the advertisement in the radio, newspaper, TV and all or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it a personal face-to-face promotion or non-personal promotion?
Non-personal.
And point number 2, also very what?
Expensive.
Now, do you know how much expensive it is to give an advertisement in the newspaper?
Yes, sir.
Those who know that, please tell me. Now, tell me, Nikhil, if I have to give the front page advertisement, the full front page of the newspaper, I have to give the advertisement. Do I have to spend rupees 1 to 2 lakh rupees or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it takes a lakhs and lakhs of money to spend the front page advertisement. Am I correct or not? So is it cheaper or very expensive?
Very expensive.
But the most important thing, read the next point.
But the most important
Stop. First of all, everyone just listen to this point number 3 in the advertisement, because it is very, very important point which you have to learn. Now read it.
But the most important thing is choosing the appropriate mode of media for different types of people.
Tell me one thing, everyone. Old people mostly nowadays are on internet or TV. If you have the old people in your house, they might mostly on TV or not. So tell me,
Yes,
I am selling a product which is targeting the old population of India. So should I do the advertisement in newspaper, in the internet, Facebook, or in the TV? TV. Why TV is the best option? Because throughout the day they are watching the TV. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I'm selling a product which is targeting the young people like you, should I go for TV advertisement?
No, sir. Social media.
Then in that case, I should go for what? Digital and social advertisement or not? Social media advertisement? Yes. So you have to make sure that what kind of mode of advertisement you are choosing. That is what more important. Now read the point number 3. You will understand, Nikhil.
But the most important thing is choosing the appropriate mode of media for different types of people.
So for the different types of people, different mode of media should be adopted or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone write CC if you all understood this point. Yes. And what is the next point? There are different ways of advertisement. What are the different ways?
There are TV, radio, newspaper, brochure, internet, online, email, messaging.
Are you getting it? Are there different types of advertisements or not? Yes.
Yes.
So in the promotion strategy, what are the 2 strategies we are done with? Personal selling, and second one is what?
Advertisement.
What is the third one?
Publicity.
Everyone, the most cheaper advertisement is the publicity only. The most cheaper advertisement is the publicity only. Now, do you all know Colaveri D song? Do you all know the song Colaveri D? I think that was sung by Dhanush.
Yes, sir.
Dhanush. Everyone knows the Colaveri D song or not? Now tell me one thing. Did he advertise in newspaper?
No, sir.
No. Now, did he advertise in personal selling?
No, sir.
Now, it became a sensation song. It was a record breaking song or not? Why
Yes,
this Colaveri? This was the song, right?
Yes, sir.
Why this Colaveri D? So, how it became sensation? Because of YouTube. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is called publicity. Okay, tomorrow also, now see what is happening. Now try to understand more views. That is what I was trying to tell you, Bhunesh. Now, tomorrow, if I'll put the RTP discussion free of cost on my YouTube channel, now tell me whether the number of views will be more on my channel or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, but if I'll put any educational video which is not of that much interesting, then in that case views will be more or less.
Yes, sir.
And if I'll put that Rohit Grover sir singing song, ऐसा करके, if I'll put the like small video on my YouTube channel, will there be more views or not? Yes. So what the people want, if you are selling a product, remember one thing, publicity is the best method. It is a very cheap method. Now tell me one thing, do you see any advertisement of Reliance?
No, sir.
Do you see any advertisement of Tata?
No, sir.
Now do they advertise or people go there and take the information?
People go there and
Now tell me, what the Reliance and Tata will do when they have to introduce any product? They will adopt a press conference. They will adopt a which conference?
press conference.
Whether all over India, all the media will be present in that press conference or not?
Yes, sir.
They will declare one thing and the whole India will come to know.
Yes, sir.
So are they spending even a single rupee in publicity or not even a single rupee?
Not even a single.
They just are holding the press conference and the total press media of the India will be present in that conference and they will make sure that the whole news will be spread to whole India. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
This is known as what?
Publicity.
Now read, what is publicity?
It is a non-personal but very
Cost effective.
cost-effective, unlike
Personal selling and
personal selling and advertising.
now tell me, in the personal selling and advertising, is it less expensive or very expensive?
Very expensive.
But publicity,
Less expensive.
lesser. No payments to be
Made.
why? Because you are conducting a press conference. No payments to be made. Next one.
Helps in reaching customer at minimum cost.
Okay. Example.
Publicity via conference. word to mouth,
Publicity
TV shows.
via conference, word to mouth, and TV shows. Now tell me, guys, it's a very simple logic. Let's take an example of teaching market also. If you think that the particular teacher is very good in teaching, does he have to advertise in the newspaper or does he have to advertise in the TV?
No, sir.
No. Who are the biggest advertisers for the good faculty? Students. Now, are you going to tell to the 10 more students and those 10 students, if they satisfy, will give to, can I say that it is word to mouth publicity?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So that is very cheaper publicity or that is very expensive?
Very cheap.
Very cheaper. Am I correct or not? It is very less expensive. So that
Okay.
is called third publicity. So tell me, what are the three we are done with?
Personal selling, advertisement, and publicity.
And what is the fourth one?
Sales promotion.
Acha, nowadays when you go to the mall, when you used to go to the mall, don't you think that so many people come to you and say that, sir, please fill up this form and please scratch this card. If please fill up this form, one contest is there. After 15 days, we'll call you if you have been selected. When you go to the mall, so many people come to you to fill up some particular form or not?
Yes, sir.
That is called which
Sales
promotion? Yeah, that is called which promotion?
promotion.
Now tell me, when you make any kind of Google Pay payment, do you get a scratch coupon or not?
Yes, sir.
Do you get a reward or not?
Yes, sir.
Now that is nothing but why Google is giving you the reward, so that you can make more and more payments from Google. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Same thing PhonePe is also doing, same thing Paytm is also doing, same thing Amazon Pay. Every wallet is doing the same thing or not?
Yes, sir.
So sales promotion is like what? Giving you discount, giving you scratch coupons. Now when you go to Bajaj Electronics to buy any product, and if you have bought any product of 1 lakh rupees, say for example, 1 lakh means what? How many 5,000s?
20.
20. So it means you will get the 20 coupons from the Bajaj Electronics. Am I correct or not? You will fill up the 20 coupons, you will put it in a draw. Whenever the lucky draw will come, if your luck is very good, will you be able to get the prizes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is called which technique, everyone?
Sales promotion.
Everyone crystal clear? So tell me, what is sales
Yes, sir.
promotion? Read it.
In this technique, various methods can be used. Google Pay scratch cards, loyalty points, wallet points, Paytm offers, freebies, discount coupons.
So all these four are known as which mix?
General market mix.
Now tell me, are we all done with the 4 P's or not?
Yes, sir.
What are the 4 P's we are done with? Product,
Product, price, place,
place,
and promotion.
promotion. Everyone, please write CC if you have no doubt in the product, price, place, and promotion. Please write CC. If you have any doubt, please write the word doubt. So no one is having the doubt. Now see, read it above, read it below. What is written?
Above marketing mix is for every kind of organization. But if the firm is specifically service industry, then there is an extended market mix with other companies.
Now how many more extended we have to do? 3 more. So total 7 are there. 4 we have already discussed. Why we are discussing the 3 extended marketing mix? Because that is only specifically used for which industry, everyone?
Service industry.
Service industry. So what are the 3?
People, process, and physical evidence.
Let me ask you a very simple thing. Let me give you one example. You will all understand. Okay, everyone, please understand. Do you all know Arijit Singh? Arijit Singh, singer. Am I correct or not? Do you all know Arijit Singh, singer or not? Yes. Okay, say for example, in the Hyderabad, there is one, there is one, what do you say, event in which the Arijit Singh is going to come. Am I correct or not? Who is going to come? Arijit Singh as a singer. Arijit Singh is going to come concert. Yes. There is one concert. Arijit Singh is going to come. Devi Prasad, music director, is going to come. Prabhas is going to come. So many people are going to come. Would you like to watch that concert or not?
Yes, sir.
So, will you buy the tickets or not?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, on the day of concert, instead of Arijit, one local singer sang the song. Arijit cancelled it. And suppose Prabhas also cancelled it. And suppose the music director Devi Prasad also cancelled it. And some fictitious people came. Some other duplicate people came, or some non-promising people or local people came. Now tell me, would you like to watch that concert now?
No, sir.
Now, would you demand your money back or not?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me one thing. So tell me whether the people matters or not.
Matter.
People does matter. You paid the money to watch Prabhas or to watch Nikhil.
Prabhas.
Not you, Nikhil. There is one actor also, Nikhil, in the Telugu. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
Suppose
Yes,
instead of Prabhas, Nikhil comes, and instead of A.R. Rahman, a local music composer comes, and instead of Arijit Singh, Rohit Grover goes. No one would like to buy the ticket. Would you all like to get the refund of the ticket or not?
sir.
So tell me, people does matter in the service industry, or that does not matter?
Does matter.
Okay, let's say for example, God forbid, just an example only. Okay, don't take it seriously. So say for example, Nikhil, you are suffering with one medical issue. Okay. Say for example, Nikhil,
Yes.
God forbid, just an example. Don't take it otherwise. Okay. So let's take an example for myself. Suppose, let's take an example of me. Suppose I am suffering from one disease. Say for example, a disease relating to heart. Now I'm going to a doctor. I'm going to a doctor. Now tell me, instead of doctor, his agent is ready to see me. Did I pay the money for the doctor or did I pay the money for the nurse?
Doctor.
Now tell me, if the nurse is going to come and see me, but I went there for doctor or not? So
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, where I am more comfortable, when the doctor is going to advise me or when the nurse is going to advise me?
Doctor.
So does the people matter or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is called the fifth P, called what? P. People does matter when you are taking the services. So would you like to take the services of a nurse or a doctor?
Doctor.
So what is the second P?
Process.
What is the second P? Process. Okay. Now suppose there is one online website where you have bought the iPhone mobile. Are you getting the point? And there is one online website called Amazon. Are you getting the point? Say for example, let's take an example of Snapdeal and Amazon. Now Snapdeal
Yes,
mein
sir.
you bought one phone, they delivered the phone to you after 20 days. After how many days?
20 days.
20 days from the order they delivered the goods to you. And in the Amazon, same day delivery is also available. Which delivery?
Same day.
So tell me one thing, today's customer is patient or today's customer is impatient?
Impatient.
Now by paying 200 rupees extra, if you get the same day delivery, where you would like to order? Would you like to order on Snapdeal or Amazon?
Amazon, sir.
Why? Because you want to because you want to buy your mobile as soon as possible or not?
Yes, sir.
It means processing time of customers' order does matter a lot or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me one thing. You go to, say for example, you go to SBI Bank to deposit a money and you go to ICICI Bank to deposit a money. In the SBI Bank, do you have to stand in a long queue or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, but in the ICICI Bank, they have kept one machine. You can deposit the money in the machine, and within 5 minutes you can be free after depositing the money. Am I correct?
Yes,
Where
sir.
the processing time of depositing the money is higher.
Higher SBI, sir.
Okay, where it is less.
That's ICICI.
So you would like to become the customer of what? SBI or ICICI?
ICICI.
Everyone write the answer. SBI or ICICI? ICICI. So because today's customer is impatient, therefore, do you want to wait or you don't want to wait?
Don't want to wait.
So can I say that processing time also plays a very important role or not?
Yes, sir.
So people play a very important role. Process plays a very important role. Out of 7 P's, how many P's we are done with, everyone?
6 P's.
6 P's we are done with. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me one thing. Suppose, let me show you one example online. Let me show you one example online. Say for example, am I providing you the online classes or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the good quality of classes?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the clarity in the classes? Is my voice clear? Is my display clear? Are you getting
Yes,
the
sir.
point or not? There's no difficulty at all.
No difficulty.
So tell me one thing. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, suppose there is one government hospital and there is one non-government hospital. Where the conditions will be more better? Think logically and answer. I know in the private hospital the environment will be better or in the government hospital?
Yes, sir. Non-government hospital.
Non-government hospital. So tell me, in the government hospital, why you would not like to go? Because there the people are government servants. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
And you all know that public servants and government servants are most useless people. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
They do not work properly without bribe. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So physical environment plays a very important role or not?
Yes, sir.
Even though in the private hospital, you all know that the charges are going to be more for your medical treatment, but still you would like to go to the private hospital or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because you know that in the private hospital, they will take care of the conditions, they will take care of the environment. The doctors will be very polite. They will, even though you know that they are going to take a lot of money from you, but still you believe the private hospital or not?
Yes, sir.
So, say for example, if anybody gets the attack, would you like to take him to the government hospital or Apollo?
Apollo, sir.
Apollo. That's a very simple thing. So, can I say that physical environment, surroundings, your environment, the place in which you work plays a very important role or not?
Yes, sir.
It's a very simple thing, guys. Suppose, let's take an example of your home only. How many of you are very much good in managing your room? It means you are very. How many of you are the believer of cleanliness? How many of you keep your room very clean? Yes. Now I know that everyone will say yes only. And how many? Be very loyal to me. How many of you keep it very dirty? How many of you? Okay, Akhil keeps it dirty. Be loyal to me. Uma also. Like same is the case with me. Now tell me one thing. Whether our parents always scold us or not? Yes. So that is what physical environment also plays a very important role. Would you like to go to a hospital which is very dirty, or you would like to go to a hospital which is very clean? Clean. Are you getting the point? The physical environment plays a very important role. I hope all of you understood the 3 P's. So what are the 3 P's we have learned just now?
People, process, and physical evidence.
People, process, and what?
Physical
Physical
evidence.
environment. Clear, everyone? Right, CC, if
Yes,
you
sir.
all know the 7 P's now. What are the 7 P's? Everyone write in the chat box. I need an answer from everyone. What are the 7 P's you know now? Write in the chat box. Price, product, place, promotion, people, process, and physical environment. Am I CC to everyone? So this is what do you mean by marketing mix. This is what do you mean by marketing mix, and the last 3 P's are known as extended marketing mix. Now read it out for everyone.
People, humans being the
Human being,
nature, way of
human being is, try to read with the commas. Try to read with the commas. Human being, his nature, and the way of interaction is very important for marketing a product or service. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Next one.
His way of influencing buyers and making sales is very important.
Example.
Getting diagnosed by a nurse instead of a doctor when patient already paid full fee for doctor appointment.
Now tell me, when you will be more satisfied? When you're getting diagnosed by the doctor or by the nurse?
By doctor.
By doctor. So people really matters a lot or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. What is the second one?
It refers to the time period taken to deliver the product or service to a customer.
Now today's customer is patient or impatient?
Impatient.
Impatient. So would you like to take Amazon same day delivery or would you like to take Snapdeal 15 days delivery?
Amazon same day delivery.
Even though Amazon is telling you to pay 200 rupees extra, would you like to pay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. What is the third one?
Mechanism or procedures of delivery.
No. What is the third one? Third P.
Physical environment. The place where buyer and seller comes in contact or interact with each other.
Now tell me.
Also very
Now
important.
hospital people are seller or not?
Yes, sir.
And we are the buyers of their service or not?
Yes, sir.
So the place should be neat or plate should be dirty?
Neat.
Now example.
Osmania Hospital versus Apollo Hospital.
Not Osmania. You all know the Osmania Hospital is a government hospital.
Yes, sir.
And Apollo Hospital is a government or non-government? Okay, let me ask you a very simple example. Suppose there is one Kirana store which is maintained in a very unassembled manner. In a which manner?
Unassembled.
Things are here and there. And suppose there is a supermarket where the things are very much assembled. Meat section is there, oil section is there, chocolate section is there. So which one is better place to buy and get the groceries?
Supermarket.
Supermarket or a normal Kirana store?
Supermarket.
Supermarket. So because physical evidence and physical environment also plays a very important role. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
So how many P's we are done with everyone? Right, CC, if you all understood the 7 P's?
Understood.
Yes. So we are done with the meaning of marketing strategy. We are done with the marketing process. We are done with the value delivery network. And we are done with the marketing mix. What is the next topic do we have?
Marketing management or marketing planning.
The next topic is known as marketing management and marketing planning. Are you able to see these keywords here? What is that?
CA, MBA, CA.
So you need to be triple qualified to understand this topic. Actually, this is not like that. It is just a memory technique. What is a CA, MBA, CS? How many words you are able to see? How many letters you are able to see?
7.
7. So it means there are 7 marketing management points you have to learn. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So what is CA, MBA, CS? Will you be able to retain that?
Yes, sir.
You have to be CA, you have to be MBA, you have to be CS. So what is the CA stands for? CA stands for?
CA and current
Analyze.
action. Analyze current market situation, product review, competitors, distributors, target market.
Now, do you have to analyze the current market situation, your current market review, your current market competitors, your current distributors and your current target market to do the marketing or not?
Yes, sir.
So C stands for what?
Current
Current.
market.
C stands for now. What do you mean by current? Current market, current product, current competitors, current
Current
distributors, and
distributor.
current target market. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is A?
Review action
A
plans to
stands
be
for
taken.
action. Now tell me one thing. Do you want the same situation or you want to keep on improving it?
Improving.
Now tell me, would you like to be satisfied with the 100 rupees of sales or you would like to make it 110?
110.
So you would always like to improve or not? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what is A stands for?
Review action plans to be taken to improve above.
Above.
Improve it
What
above.
you have to improve? Your market
Current market
situation,
situation.
your product review, your competitors, your direct distributors and target market. Everyone write CC if you all understood CA. So tell me, Nikhil, what is CA? May C stands for?
Unless current market situation.
Okay.
Review.
What does the A stand for?
Take action plans to be taken.
Take action plans to improve the same. Am I correct? Now, CA chartered accountant is over. What is the next one?
MBA.
MBA. MBA may M stands for what?
Make marketing strategy good enough to achieve organizational objectives.
M stands for make your marketing strategy good enough to achieve whose objectives?
Organizational objectives.
And B stands for what?
Budgetary regular intervals.
You have to do the budgeting at regular intervals with its screening on which basis?
Timely basis.
Now tell me one thing. Can we do the marketing in unlimited way or limited way?
Limited way.
Marketing is very expensive or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So do we have to have a budget for the marketing or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so marketing should be done in a which way? Budgeted way or unbudgeted way?
Budgeted way.
Everyone please tell me, do we need the budgets for the market or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me one thing, your product is 10 rupees and you are doing the marketing of 100 rupees. Is it good?
Not.
Not good. Are you getting the point? So make sure that you should have a proper budget for your marketing. Clear everyone? So tell me, in the MBA, M stands for?
Marketing.
Marketing strategy should be good enough to achieve OO, organizational objectives. And B stands for always make the budgeting for the marketing and make sure that you are revising your budget at which basis? Regular basis. Am I correct? What does the MBA A stands for?
Analyze your own objectives and opportunities and threats.
Analyze your opportunities and threats. So tell me one thing, CA MBA is over or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please, Nikhil, please tell without looking at the board. What is CA?
CA, current market position.
Analyze your current market position, current competitors, current distributors, current target market. Am I correct?
Target market.
Okay. In the CA, A stands for?
Take action plan on
Take action plans to improve the above. Am I correct or not? Okay. In the MBA, M stands for? Your marketing strategy should be good enough to achieve what?
Organizational objectives.
Okay. B stands for always do the budgeting and always do the screening of the budgeting at which basis? Timely basis. Am I correct? Okay. A stands for analyze your ONT. What is ONT? Opportunities and
threats.
Everyone please tell me CA and MBA is over or not?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to do the third course. What is the third course?
CS.
CS. What is C stands for?
Controlling the time, cost and activities for efficient marketing.
Now do we have to control our time or not?
Yes, sir.
Do we have to control the cost of the product or not?
Yes, sir.
Do we have to control our activities for the efficient market or not?
Yes, sir.
And what is S stands for?
Summarizing.
All of above. So if we'll summarize all the 6 points above, will we be able to achieve the best marketing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone. So S stands for?
Summarizing.
So everyone, Nikhil including you, everyone write in the chat box. Should I ask you some questions? Everyone ready?
Yes, sir.
Should I ask you some questions, everyone? What does the C and A stands for? Write in the chat box. C and A. May C stands for what? Analyze your Yes, analyze your current market situation, current market distributors, current competitors, current market target, current position. Am I correct? Okay. In the CA, A stands for what? A stands for action plan to improve the above. A stands for action plan to improve the above. Clear everyone? Okay. In the MBA, B stands for what? In the MBA, B stands for what? B. I'm not saying M. In the MBA, B stands for what? Budgeting. Do you have to make the budget for the marketing and revise it at regular intervals or not? Okay. Now, M stands for what? M. In the MBA, M stands for what? Marketing strategy should be good enough to achieve your OO. What is OO? Organizational objectives. Okay. In the MBA, A stands for what? Analyze your ONT. What is ONT? Analyze your ONT. Opportunities and threats. Analyze your opportunities and threats. Okay. CA MBA is over. Now in the CS, what is the C stands for? Control your time, control your cost, and control your activities. Am I correct? Controlling the time, cost, and activity. You have to control your cat. Everyone, do you have to control your cat? What is cat? Everyone, what is cat? Cost, activities, and time. Cost, activities, and time. This is known as CAT. And what is the S stands for in the CS? What is the S stands for in the CS? Summarizing above. So that is called management planning. That is called which planning? Management planning. Everyone please tell me if it is very easy or easy.
Very easy.
Very easy. Is it correct, Nikhil? I hope all of you understood it. Yes, it is very, very easy, right? So let us understand the last topic of marketing strategy. What is the name of the last topic, everyone?
Marketing techniques.
Marketing techniques. Total, how many marketing techniques we all have to learn?
13 marketing techniques.
13 marketing techniques we have to learn. This is the last topic of marketing strategy. Clear, everyone? After that, remaining strategies are very small. So there are total 13 marketing strategies we all have to learn. How many?
13 marketing strategies.
Read the first one. What is the name?
Social marketing.
What is the second one?
Augmented marketing.
Augmented marketing. What is the third one?
Direct marketing.
What is the fourth one?
Relationship marketing.
What is the fifth one?
Service marketing.
What is the sixth one?
Person marketing.
What is the seventh one?
Observation marketing.
What is the eighth one?
Place marketing.
What is the ninth one?
Enlightenment marketing.
Enlightened marketing. What is the 10th one?
Differential marketing.
Okay, what is the 11th one?
Synchro marketing.
And what is the 12th one?
Concentrated marketing.
And what is the last one?
Demarketing.
So everyone, are you able to see there are total 13 marketing techniques we all have to learn?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone. So what are the 13 marketings? What is the first one?
Social marketing.
Okay, that marketing which helps in promoting the social ideas of the society. It helps in providing which ideas? Social idea. Acha, tell me one thing. Is smoking good for health or not good for health?
Not good for health.
So do you see these kind of banners everywhere or not?
Yes, sir.
No smoking within the now what is this written? Now tell me, what is this? Is this advertisement giving you the social idea or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the social message in this thing?
Don't smoke.
Read.
Don't play with your life. Instead of smoke, fill yourself with happiness.
Okay, and what is this advertisement?
There is only one way to live after your death. Donate your eyes.
Now tell me, do the people donate their eyes after their death or not?
Yes, sir.
So your eyes will be going in the someone's eyes. Am I correct? Your eyes are going to replace someone's eyes, and someone who is unable to see will be able to see the world through your eyes or not? Now tell me,
Yes, sir.
after your death, whether your eyes are of any use or no use?
No use.
No use. It's better to donate your eyes or not?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, in all the three advertisements, what kind of message you got?
No smoking.
Yeah, no, what kind of message you got? Is it a social
Social
message or not?
Social elements.
So it is known as which marketing?
Social marketing.
Everyone CC?
Yes, sir.
So any kind of marketing where you try to increase the acceptability of what? Social market.
Social ideas.
Yeah, social ideas. Now read it. What is social marketing?
To increase the acceptability of social ideas, causes, and practices among a targeted group.
Now tell me,
Example, no
when we
smoking.
advertise like this, now do you see the advertisement before the starting of the movie or not?
Yes, sir.
Cigarette smoking is injurious to health. You will see that in the cinema hall also. Am I correct? Before the movie starts, do we have all that advertisements before the movie start or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Private
all that is known as which marketing?
social marketing.
Anyone is getting benefited or society is getting benefited?
Society is
That is why it is known as which marketing?
social
Social marketing. Are you able to see that? Everyone crystal clear? So
Yes,
out of 13 marketing techniques, how many we are done with? First one, social marketing. What is the second marketing?
Augmented marketing.
Augmented marketing. Okay, tell me one thing. Do you know McDonald's or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you go to the McDonald's and eat the burger over there. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
But whether the McDonald's also provide the home delivery or not?
Yes, sir.
Whether the Pizza Hut provides the home delivery or not?
Yes, sir.
Whether Domino's provide the home delivery or not?
Yes, sir.
With the charges or without charges?
Sometimes without charges.
Yeah, if they have the areas, if within 5 kilometers they are delivering, they are not going to charge anything. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So tell me one thing, are they providing you some extra services other than their products or not?
Yes, sir.
That is known as which marketing?
Augmented marketing.
Now tell me, did you ask that service from the McDonald's, or McDonald's automatically started giving these services?
Automatically given service.
So are they giving you something extra services to the customers or not? Yes,
sir.
everyone. So that is called which services? Acha, how many of you
Augmented
watch the Netflix or Amazon Prime? How many of you
Yes,
watch
sir.
that Netflix? Do you watch Netflix, Nikhil?
Netflix, no. Amazon Prime.
Yeah, Amazon Prime. So Nikhil, when you watch one action movie on the Amazon Prime, now once you have completed that movie, then automatically do you see so many recommendations for you or not?
Yes, sir.
You have watched that action movie, then after that immediately they will, when you will come out of that movie, you will find that so many movies which are very similar to your movies which you have recently watched. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Do they make a list of all the movies according to your taste or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, suppose you have watched a very comedy movie. Suppose you have watched a which movie? Comedy movie. After that, the list of comedy movies will be given to you in your recommendation or not?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, did you ask the Amazon Prime to give you that service?
No, sir.
But are they providing you extra or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is called which marketing, everyone?
Augmented marketing.
Everyone write CC if you understood my example. Did you understand, Nikhil, what I'm saying?
Yes,
So
yes, sir.
augmented marketing is that marketing which is something extra or not?
Yes, sir.
Same thing happens on Netflix also. Same thing happens on Netflix also. When you watch any movie according to your taste, then automatically the other movies according to your taste, Netflix will prepare a list of that, and automatically it will be given to you. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
This is what do you mean by which marketing?
Augmented
So
marketing.
read it.
To give something extra, additional services around the main product. Free home
Example.
delivery, movies on
Example, free home
example.
delivery, movies on demand, Airtel Live, free Wink Music, Netflix, free pickup and drop, Karnataka bus services. All these services are something extra over the product or not?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
in the YouTube also, very much correct, Bhuvnesh. In the YouTube also, when you watch some movies, say for example, you are watching the Bhuvan Bam or Ashish Chanchalani. Now, do you get all their videos, related videos or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
you watched someone's video and related videos will automatically come. That is called which marketing?
Augmented marketing.
Augmented. Like, let me show you in my YouTube. Now, say for example, I see so many what do you say, educational videos. I see so many comedy videos also. So, are you able to see the Unacademy videos in my platform?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And are you able to see the say for example, comedy videos or not? Yes, these are. I watch the technical Guruji also. I watch so many people. Are you getting the point? I follow, say for example, I follow Sahil Khan. So these are those videos which I generally watch. Are you getting the point? They automatically generate the videos according to my taste. Am I correct or not? Yes. So this is what do you mean by which marketing, everyone? This is what do you mean by which marketing, everyone?
Augmented marketing.
Augmented marketing. Clear, everyone? Let me. Is the screen visible to all of you?
No, sir.
It's gone, right?
Yes.
Just wait. We'll come back again. Did it come?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Just wait. Are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Whether it has come now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is what do you mean by which marketing, everyone? Augmented
Augmented
marketing. So
marketing.
out of 13 techniques, how many techniques we are done with?
2 techniques.
So everyone, please tell me via social marketing, what kind of message we give? Do we give a profit
Social
making or social ideas
ideas.
and social messages? That is called which marketing? Social marketing.
Social.
And when we market our extra services which the customer has not demanded but we are still giving, that is called which services?
Augmented marketing.
That is called which marketing? Augmented marketing. Now, all this free home delivery, new movies on demand, all these are the examples of which marketing?
Augmented marketing.
Okay, what is the third marketing?
Direct marketing.
Now, do we have these do we have these channels in our TV or not? Naptol, Home Shop 18.
Yes, sir.
Now, what are these channels basically? Star, CJ Live. What are these channels? Do they sell the product or not?
Yes, sir.
Are they directly selling the product to the customer or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, they are the directly selling the product. Now, if you call them directly, you will get the product or not?
Yes, sir.
They are directly targeting the customer. Whosoever is watching the TV, they might be knowing the meaning of these channels. In the Naptol, sometimes they will sell you 3 t-shirts in 9.99, 4 jeans in 5.99.
Yes,
Sometimes they will sell you the utensils. Sometimes they will sell you the Reebok shoes at 2,899. Very limited sale. All these advertisements comes on Naptol and Home Shop 18.
Yes, sir.
Are they directly targeting the customer?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is known as which marketing?
Direct
Direct marketing. So do you get the messages from the so many institutes or not? Masterminds.
Yes, sir.
Every one of you get the masterminds message or not? Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
are they directly messaging you on your number?
Yes, sir.
That is also called which marketing?
Direct
So what
marketing.
are the different methods of doing the direct marketing? Read it. Direct mail.
Direct e-marketing, web marketing, websites and landing pages, web mobile marketing, billboard, television, radio.
Now, when you go on a road, do you see the big banners in the road or not? On the sides
Yes,
of the
sir.
road, do you see the big banners? Right?
Yes, sir.
So that is also marketing. So this is what do you mean by which marketing?
Direct marketing.
Direct marketing. So read it. What is direct marketing?
Marketing through advertisements media. Interact directly with customers. Direct response from customers. Catalog selling, SMS marketing, email, telephone calls.
Do we also allowed you to become the part of the group or not? In the group, whenever I have to
Yes.
update something, class is there or no class is there, do I send the message in the group?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Any material, do I share it in the group? That is called direct marketing.
Yes, sir.
Do I share my post of the future classes in the group or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is called direct marketing. Clear, everyone? So this is what you mean by that. So how out of 13 techniques, how many techniques we are done with, everyone?
3 techniques.
3. What are the 3 we are done with?
Social marketing, augmented marketing, and direct marketing.
Social marketing,
Augmented marketing,
and direct marketing. What is the fourth
direct
marketing?
Relationship marketing.
Okay, what do you mean by relationship marketing? Say for example, how many of you know the Emirates Airlines? Emirates Airlines. Emirates Airlines is there. Basically, Emirates Airlines is a Dubai Airlines. Am I correct or not? Now, in the Emirates Airlines, now listen to this, Nikhil, very clearly. In the Emirates Airlines, if you buy a business class ticket, are you getting the point? If you buy a business class ticket and you are coming early to the airport, you are coming, so suppose you came 4 or 5 hours before the flight only to the airport. Now 4 or 5 hours, it will be difficult for you to stay at the airport or not?
Yes, sir.
So do you want to relax? Do you want to say take a small nap, or do you want to sleep for some time?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So for that you have the which lounges? You can see the name.
Emirate Lounge.
Are they looking like a hotel or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you can go there, show your ticket in the airport only, and you can take a separate room for 5-6 hours without any charges, because you are a which ticket holder?
Emirates ticket holder.
Emirates ticket holder. Now tell me, are they giving these services to their customers free of cost or not?
Yes, sir.
Now what they're trying to do by giving these kind of services, are they trying to maintain their customers? Tell me, are they trying to increase the relationship with their customers or not?
Yes, sir.
Are they trying to achieve the loyalty of their customers or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? So tell me, if you are getting these kind of services in the Emirates Airlines, would you like to travel through Indigo Airlines again?
No, sir.
No. So Indigo Airlines is not providing you these services. Emirates Airline is providing you these services. So which airlines you will prefer over whom?
Emirates over Indigo.
Yeah. Now, did they make you as their customer or not?
Yes, sir.
Are they trying to build the good relationship for a longer period with you or not?
Yes, sir.
That kind of marketing is called what? Relationship marketing. It is called which marketing?
Relationship marketing.
So, are they establishing the good relationship with their customer by giving these kind of extra services?
Yes, sir.
That is called relationship marketing. Am I correct? Now, say for example, if you have an ICICI credit card, you get the buy one movie ticket, another movie ticket free.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting the point? Buy one ticket, another ticket is free on Book My Show if you use the ICICI debit card or ICICI credit card. Am I correct or not? Now, why ICICI giving you this service? Promotion.
Sir.
They are giving this service for promotion or building the relationship with you.
Building the relationship.
So, are you going to use any other bank's ATM card or only ICICI?
ICICI.
Because you are getting the free TV, you are getting the free ticket. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is what do you mean by relationship. So what do you mean by relationship marketing? Read it.
Process of creating, maintaining, and enhancing strong and value-based relationship with customers and other stakeholders.
Example.
Lounge services.
Lounge services, additional discounts on. Now sometimes, yeah, sometimes do you get the messages from ICICI Bank? Nikhil, today is your birthday. Please visit the branch and we will give you this price or that price. Or please do the online transactions. You will get the 10,000 points today. do they give you the sometimes the extra benefits what they're not giving to anybody else or not?
Yes, sir.
And
Max.
why do they give you? Yeah, in the barbecue,
For
yes,
relation-
in the barbecue nations, when you go over there and if you have a birthday, do you give you the free cake? Do they give you the free cake or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in that case, that is nothing but called relationship marketing. No, Uma, it is relationship marketing. They want you to come back again. That is not augmented marketing. It is a relationship marketing. Everyone crystal clear with all the 4 marketings?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what are the 4 marketings we have done today?
Social marketing, augmented marketing, direct marketing, and relationship marketing.
So everyone CC, write CC if you are all comfortable with all the marketings.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how many 9 more marketings we are left with? How many?
9 more.
So tomorrow in the beginning only our marketing strategy will be over and immediately we'll be completing 2 more strategies which are very small. And maybe day after tomorrow your marketing functional level strategies chapter also will be over. Then we'll be left with only 2 chapters for which the 5 classes more are required. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
So approximately 7 more classes are required for your strategic management and your portion will be over.
Completed.
Chalo. I'll see you guys tomorrow now. Right? Chalo. Bye everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you, Nikhil. Bye.
Sir, in auditing,
Yeah.
sir,
Yeah.
in auditing, we